Hey, it's Ronnie. Today, I'm going to show you how to change an ignition coil. Replacing an ignition coil is a basic repair procedure you can do at home with tools from your local AutoZone. First thing you need to do is make sure the engine is cool, apply the emergency brake, then open the hood. Disconnect the negative battery cable before working on anything else. You're going to want to check the vehicle's repair guide first before disconnecting the cable. Some vehicles will react negatively when the battery cable is disconnected, especially for a period of time. A memory keeper maintainer can be used, but check first to avoid electrical damage or other headaches. Now we're going to unhook the battery, start pulling that coil. There we go, negative side only. All right, first I'm going to unhook the plug from the coil. Simply squeezing on the pigtail and pulling straight out, wiggle, comes right off. This particular coil has one bolt, holds it down as kind of most do. All right. Bolt out. A twisting motion to remove the coil from its bore. It can be stuck, being there for how many miles we don't know. We don't want it to come apart. You heard that? Come right out. And there's our old coil. We'll set this guy aside. We'll grab our new coil and get it put back in. So you want to be careful when you're replacing your old coil to your new coil. You don't want to damage a spark plug or crack it. You can have a misfire. That one come apart nice and easy. Slid right out. Upon installing the new coil, you're going to want dielectric grease inside there where it connects to the spark plug. These come pre-greased. It's ready to go. There it is right in there. Want to make sure it is the same as the old coil. Length is very important. If it doesn't reach the spark plug, it's not going to make contact. You're going to have a misfire. Everything else looks good. The pigtail's the same. It's going to plug right in. I think we're ready to go. Set that guy aside. The new coil simply slides right back into place. And you'll feel it kind of seat on the spark plug. And once you've got that, you can install the new bolt. Now, upon inspecting the old coil, also, you can take a digital voltmeter and you can check both the primary and secondary windings to see what the problem might have been with that coil and diagnose your issue. All right, snug that little bolt up there. Got my connector. You heard it click audibly in place. Now I can hook the battery back up, start the car up, see how it runs, and the hood's coming down again on my head. So I got my coil back in, I got it plugged in. I'm gonna reattach the battery cable. I'm gonna start it up, check for any misfires, take the car for a test drive. That's about it. If your vehicle has bad ignition coil symptoms, it's time for a little do-it-yourself action. Grab the tools needed at AutoZone and make sure to test and replace any failing ignition coils before your vehicle breaks down completely. For more videos, check out our channel and be sure to like and subscribe.